Hello Rishi. Hello everyone. Here's Rishi of 8th standard. Rishi, I have given an equation on the board. Can you reduce this equation to its simpler form? You can do it in 2 minutes, Rishi. Okay, come on. Go ahead. Okay, so if you see the equation over there, basically it's like how we go ahead in fractions like that. Okay, we need to solve each side. So here we can see that the denominators are different. Okay, so first what he has done is we need to find the LCM of the denominator, and the LCM of the denominator is 35 here. Okay, so he got 35, and with whatever number we are multiplying to make sure that the denominators are same, with the same number we have to multiply the numerator also. Yes, done. Okay, so 35 is the LCM. Now with the same number he has multiplied the numerator. Okay, so 5x, 5 4s are 20, 7x, 7 4s are 28, x plus x. No overwriting in mathematics, Rishi. Yeah. X plus 3 by 7. Okay, then now solve it. Yes. Rishi, this is, Rishi, see the sign here, minus plus. So, so what sign you have kept here? Yes, minus 48. Now bringing the done. Yeah, bringing the variables to one side and constant to the other side. Yes, transposing. Then okay, done. Minus 7x plus 63. Oh, it's like a very rough work. Yes, where is the sign? Where is the sign? Minus sign is gone. Yeah. Okay, x is equal to minus 9 in exactly 2 minutes. Very good, Rishi. Done. Very good. The answer is right. X is equal to minus 9. So basically what we are doing, we have to first find the LCM of the denominators. LCM of the denominator is 35. Yes. So we have to make sure that each term, we have to actually solve each term. Yes. Okay. So we have to, with whatever number we are multiplying the denominator of this term, we have to multiply the numerator also with the same term. Okay. So here we go. It's like this.